What's up, YouTube? It is now 4 p.m. and I have not done anything on the vlog today. I'm going to get my kid right now, and then I gotta hustle up and try to get home and get my truck, and I got an appointment to get some tires. Yeah, so now you probably know what I do for a living. Yeah, those are cuffs. So, the place I get tires from is it's a little shady, cash only, and the ones he got in were in pretty bad shape. So I gotta come back Wednesday. My nephew, my sister's son, is playing his first scrimmage football game for middle school, so we're gonna go watch that. Really not too much going on today. I know I didn't record the workout, but it is what it is. I needed me time, so it was a hell of a day. So I guess we'll see y'all next time, and holler at ye. What's up, everybody? I'm back. It is Thursday afternoon, and fixing to hit up a push day. I'm wearing the full-blown monkey suit today because our kids are graduating tonight. So we're gonna do that. But let me try to get this phone set up here. Hang on one second. All right. So it's push day, and we are about to change clothes and hit up a pre-workout and go get in push. So graduation is starting. The festivities are real.
We're soldiers, but come more time, we'll just head home. Raise a white flag with honor lost and glory gone. Now we're gonna march to certain death with these landmines in our chests. With every night, another rain, we both stare 1,000 yards away. You know it's gonna hurt, so why would you want more? You know it's gonna hurt, so why would you want more? You know it's gonna hurt, so why would you want more? I know it's gonna hurt, but you're worth fighting for. An explosion, a million pieces of debris, or a plane crash, lost into the open seas. Yeah, we swim on through the heavy swell, before we sink to hopeless depths. But every night, another storm, we fight to keep ourselves afloat.
alarm's going off now. Good morning, YouTube. How are you guys doing? I guess I gotta go tend to the baby. Alright. So plans for today. It's my wedding anniversary. So for that we are actually going to Memphis for a Chainsmokers concert. So yeah. I haven't been to a legit concert in a very, very long time. The last time I went to a concert, Nickelback was cool. It was a long time ago. Was Nickelback ever cool? I thought they were kind of cool at one point. I don't take it in with me. Hey, you. Hey, girl. Say hi, everybody. Say good morning. Oh, big girl. Say hi. How are you? Check this out. Favorite thing of the day. Favorite part of the morning. Alright, princess. Alright, y'all. I gotta get her changed, and we'll check in here in a little bit. I gotta run and get some tires for my truck real quick. Good girl. What's up, everybody? We're getting rubber, finally. Long-awaited rubber. Yeah. Being my anniversary, I don't think it would be a wise move for me to go eat breakfast. May want to check with the boss first, because Crystal's right next door. Crystal might not be the wisest career decision for breakfast for a long drive either. It wouldn't matter to me. It might suck for the wife. Poop emoji. But anyways, no, can't do that yet. Maybe next time. I'm gonna get rubber and get something to eat and get on the road. And I guess we'll see y'all in Memphis. I'm just gonna teleport there. Ready? And we are in Memphis, guys. We're gonna go see the Chainsmokers tonight. That's my wife. That's my wife. That is my other wife, right there. Not really. We just paid wait for it, and $93.
I talked him down to 144 though.
I don't want to say the term Jewed him down because that would be totally anti-Semitic. But we're gonna on the shuttle here. Hey, you need to hustle up. We're getting on the shuttle. We may have a small one. That was a Ford Focus, ladies and gentlemen. Did y'all hear that? But we're getting on the shuttle, and we'll see y'all at the venue. So, Liz has never been to New Orleans, but this is about as close as you can get to New Orleans in Tennessee.
No.
That's Bill Street. That's about as close you can get to being on Bourbon without going all the way to Louisiana. But you can walk around the street with a little something. Anyways, yeah, say hi everybody. So it's our 5-year anniversary. 5 years. And we're gonna go check out the show, but somebody has to pee. So here we are, FedEx Forum in Memphis, about to check out the Chainsmokers. I think I'm most excited about seeing the intro. Alright, we're set up. Everything over here on the porch. They're over here taking pictures. But check out the weather, yo. It's looking a little sketchy. I'm gonna try to get a time lapse, and we'll see y'all here in a little bit.
I'll be okay.
The life and times of me. So this is how it goes. Freaking storm hit. They delayed the wedding a little while. Finally get it. It quit raining, you know. Good to go. All cool and everything. Rained some more. Rained on and off pretty much the whole time. Well, my truck and trailer was parked in the field where the guy told me to park. It sunk. Now, mind you, my truck is two-wheel drive, so I'm stuck like Chuck with a 12-foot trailer that's still like half full of sound and lighting equipment. So I hollered at a guy. He backs his he had like a FX4, you know, four-wheel drive. So he backs it down there, and I don't have a tow hook either. He's like, oh, we'll just run it through that, it'll be fine. Well, I was stuck pretty bad. Totally screwed my bumper up. Like it's done. So, I guess I'm taking a bumper off my truck tomorrow, and I'm gonna shop online for a new bumper. Fantastic. So this was it wasn't a money losing venture, but it definitely didn't make nearly as much as I would like, considering I've got to buy a new front bumper for my truck now. FML. But anyways, I'm just stopped the trailer. I didn't pull in the grass at my parents' house either. I just wasn't going to even risk it, so I just basically dropped it in the driveway and said, screw it. But, so yeah, tires are rubbing when I turn now, and yeah, so now I need a front bumper. And I still need to do the front shocks. And I'm probably going to need tie rod ends because I'm getting a little play when I'm driving. So, yeah. Fan-freaking-tastic. And we're going to freaking Pigeon Forge in like 3 weeks. So, I've got to, I got to get it all squared away before then, obviously. Probably go ahead and do the bumper, I guess, now. And I don't know. I'm going to try to find an off-road. I'm going to try to talk to the wife. I might just say screw it and just order one and ask for forgiveness later. Either way, I'm pulling in my driveway. Wedding went well. They were very happy. They were all insanely drunk. And they danced in the rain. So that was cool. Anyways, I'm home. Love y'all. Holler at you. Peace. What's up, dudes and dudettes? How are y'all doing? Long weekend, very, very long weekend. Had the Chainsmokers show Friday. Came back and did the wedding on Saturday. Left out early. But that's all done. I got another wedding coming up next weekend, but luckily not going to go out of town, so it shouldn't be too big of a deal. But we're going to talk diet here soon, so y'all just bear with me. I'm going to go over what I eat. It's not necessarily what's going to be best for you, but just kind of what I've been doing. So, and this is what's worked for me. It's a carb cycling diet. You can actually just Google it. Try it. I mean, that's the good thing about dieting. You're probably not going to die tomorrow, so you'll know if your diet starts to work within a week or two, you know. So, we're going to go into an edit. I got a pull day, and it's actually, I've kind of skipped out. Last day I worked out was Thursday, and it's Monday. So I've been off for 3 days. So we're going to go into a pull and just kind of pick back up where we left off. Thursday I had push, and so we're going to do pull, and then tomorrow, yeah, I know, legs. Anyways, we're going to go into an edit, and we'll see y'all in a second. Peace.
Vultures circle overhead. People love to watch her ride. I hate the whispers in the stairs.